Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to our channel, Natural Sciences, grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. Yes, today we are looking at this question. Yeah, the statement reads, consider the circuits below, consisting of similar bulbs, voltmeter, ammeter, and wires. Okay, these are the circuits. We have the circuit A, we have B and C. And the first question says that identify the number of cells in each circuit. Yes. How many cells do we see in each circuit? Let us look at circuit A. For circuit A, this is what we look at. And we say the long and the short stroke, they represent one cell. So for A, it is one cell. Okay? Then we go to B. This is B, and this is where we look. This is 1 and 2. So B has 2 cells. Then we go to C. C has 1, 2, 3. So how many? 3 cells. Yeah, that's what we have. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that arrange the voltmeter reading in order of increasing value. Yes, this is the voltmeter reading, and it reads the potential difference or the voltage across the bulb. So yes, how does it appear? Okay, you have to know that this voltmeter reading is determined by the battery or the cells. The bigger the number of cells, the higher is the voltmeter reading. So what are we going to see? We are going to see that if this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3, it means that the order is going to be 1 being less than 2, which is less than 3. So in other words, the order, they said increasing. So we start from the smallest. And the smallest voltmeter reading, we take it from 1 cell. So A has the smallest, followed by B, and followed by C, in that order. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that arrange the ammeter reading in order of increasing reading. Okay? Yes. Increasing means that you start from the smallest. So here we have to understand that the higher the potential difference, the higher is the current. So what's the implication here? That this one is going to have the highest, followed by this one, and this one will have the smallest. And we are starting from the smallest. So the order is going to be A, followed by B, followed by C, in that order. Then we come to this question. It says that if each cell is 1.5 volts, what is the voltmeter reading in each of the circuits below? Okay, let's start with A. Okay, yes, A, we have how many? 1 cell. So 1 times 1.5, what do we get? The answer is going to be 1.5 volts. So the reading here is going to be 1.5. Let's go to B. B has how many? 2 cells. And each cell is 1.5 volts. So what are we going to see as the reading of the voltmeter? It's going to be 3.0 volts. Then we go to C. C has how many cells? There are 3. And each one is 1.5. So what do we get here? 4.5 volts. Yeah, those are the readings which we are going to observe at each voltmeter. If each cell is 1.5 volts. Yeah, then we come to this case. It says that compare the brightness of the bulbs in each of the pairs below and explain your answer. Okay, the first one is between A and B. Yes. Yeah, which one is brighter? Here, B is brighter. Than A. Okay. Yes, and what is the reason? Okay. The reason is that the potential energy in B is higher than the potential energy in A, or the potential difference in B is higher than the potential difference in A. Yeah, when we come to this case, B and C, the question wants us to compare the brightness of the bulb in B and C. Okay, so what are you going to say here? C is brighter than A. Okay, and what's the reason? The reason is that the potential difference in C is higher than that in B. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that state the type of arrangement of cells in circuit C. Yeah, this is the circuit we are talking about. And they say, what arrangement of cells do we see here? Is it series or parallel? The answer is series. The cells are arranged in a series. Yeah, then this question comes. It says, give the reason for your answer above. So, what reason are you going to give for choosing series as the answer? We said the cells are in series. Why? Why do we say so? The answer is that there's only one path for the current. So it is the same current which goes through the cells. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are the best. Stick with us. You won't regret. See you next time. Bye bye.